Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to remove Tesla Model Y headlights. First, always ensure your vehicle is completely off and the front hood is open for safety. Begin by carefully lifting and removing the vent cover, then detach the push-in pin and loosen the four 10mm bolts securing the front trunk storage tray. Disconnect its light connector and set the tray aside. Next, remove the filter assembly by taking out its two 10mm bolts to access the 12-volt battery. Now let's tackle the front bumper. Start by removing the push-in pins located on both sides of the wheel fender flares. A panel popper tool will help you gently pull the fender flares outward to detach them. Next, locate and remove the five 10mm bolts securing the front bumper. There's one on each side and three underneath. Before completely removing the bumper, remember to disconnect any remaining light connections, then carefully set the bumper aside. With the bumper removed, you can now access the headlight assembly. You'll find a 10mm bolt securing the headlight from the side. Remove this first. Then, unscrew the 10mm bolt located at the top of the headlight assembly. It's important to note that some headlight models might not have a lower fastener. Repeat these exact steps for the headlight on the opposite side of your vehicle. Finally, it's time to remove the headlight. Gently pull the entire headlight assembly outward to disengage it from its mounting points. Next, locate the electrical connector on the back of the headlight. If your connector has a red locking tab, pull this tab away from the connector to unlock it. Then, continue pulling the main body of the connector to fully disconnect it. Once unplugged, the headlight can be completely removed from the vehicle.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.